excited. I'm so excited, y'all. It's barely daybreak outside. Okay, so yesterday was the Sabbath. I slept in all day yesterday listening to the Bible. So I couldn't wait to get out here to see if anything has germinated. And look, yes, it has. The broccoli has germinated. That's broccoli. What's that? The cabbage has germinated. Broccoli and the cauliflower has germinated. What is this? Cauliflower. So I'm excited. Swiss chard is coming up. Oh wow. I'm excited about the Swiss chard. This is something new that I wanted to try this year. Got the carrots, petite carrots coming up here. The baby carrots, that is. And I put a lot of stuff down. Hopefully it'll come up. I got some Swiss chard in this one. I got some spinach and what's that? What is that? Lettuce. So I hope that works out. And here I put more kale. Of course, kale. I've been plucking off of this one. Down here, I got some stuff that haven't germinated yet. I had this in the house. Oh wait, it has. Some stuff has germinated. The tomatoes are coming up. Awesome. What's this? Tomatoes. What's this? Yeah, the tomatoes are coming up. So I'm happy about that. I will be putting them in the ground in a couple of weeks or so. Yes, I'm excited. This supposed to be parsley or onions. I don't know where this came from, but I have some parsley up here somewhere, perhaps here. I'm not sure, so I'm just going to leave it there for now. So one of these containers is parsley, and I have asparagus here. Hopefully that'll come up. Planting more asparagus this year. So let me see what's going on up here. It rained yesterday, so it rained all day yesterday, as a matter of fact. Okay, what we got here? Oh, look at the carrots coming up. Wow. I put turnips down here. I don't see anything yet, and more carrots. Perhaps that or that. I think. Yes. Yes. Okay. So let me pick up some of these leaves off the ground here. My compost bucket is a mess. I need to straighten it up. This is on the ground. I don't know what I'm stepping on here. I don't know what I planted over here. I gotta stop doing that. I have no idea what that is because I didn't put any signs down because I'm silly. Sometimes I have no idea what that is. I had some asparagus growing up over here, but I think I pulled them all out. Nope, look, they still coming up. Right here. Asparagus still coming up. This I'm gonna have to pull up because I know that's just a weed. I need to start labeling what I put in the ground. Okay, let me see what else here. Get off the ground here. I don't know if I should save these few leaves or just put them in the compost. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the compost. But I could save them and put them in my bag in the freezer. But I just put them in the compost. Yeah. Okay. Smell like greens. So hopefully by, let me see, this is March, May, my garden will be full again. It'll be full, preferably by May. So, like I told y'all before, my daughter says this is broccoli. I guess it is. I don't remember putting broccoli down. It do look like broccoli from the tips. So I'll take her word for it. That's what I get once again for not labeling my stuff. And this is a cabbage. This cabbage been in the ground for a long time. I ain't gonna lie. Oh, I don't know if it's going to produce anything, but I love the leaves. I love the leaves. This been in the ground for a long time too. I don't know. I'm just letting things stay because I love the greenery. So yes, I'm very excited about the new season. I think from here on out, I'm going to keep a garden all year round. That's my best bet, I think. When I tell y'all I'm excited, I'm excited. I forgot that I have breakfast on the stove, so it's probably burned. Let me go. Good morning, everybody.